Struggling to find the Join Campaign button on Whop? Learn exactly where to click to join any campaign in under 30 seconds. I'll walk you through the exact steps from your dashboard to joining a campaign. Just follow along. Start by heading to your Whop dashboard, where you'll see your main navigation options. Then, click on the Discover tab to explore available opportunities. From there, select Content Rewards to filter for campaigns. Now, scroll through the list and find a campaign that catches your interest. Once you've found one, click the Join Campaign button to get started. And that's it. You're all set. Happy creating! If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.